Hello everyone. NIO CEO revealed that a single battery swap station in Denmark generates €200,000 in annual profit, highlighting NIO's lucrative business model. Wow, this is a game changer. NIO CEO just dropped a bombshell on stage yesterday, revealing that a single battery swap station in Denmark generates an impressive €200,000 in pure profit annually. Yes, that's profit, not revenue. This isn't a universal figure for all swap stations, but it shows the immense potential of NIO business model. Let's dive into the details. In a presentation, the CEO mentioned, "We have a power swap station in Europe, Denmark. We're connected to Europe power grid and participate in grid stabilization and energy trading. Our station can still make over €200,000 a year. The benefits are pretty good. This profit comes primarily from grid stabilization, which involves buying electricity when prices are low and selling it back to the grid when prices are high. This €200,000 figure excludes profits from battery swap fees, which means the potential earnings are even higher. It's now clear why so many energy companies in China are eager to partner with NIO to build these swap stations. The stations are owned by these companies but operated by NIO, making them highly profitable investments. NIO revenue streams from these swap stations come not only from battery swaps for their cars and potential partner vehicles in the future, but also from grid stabilization. This is an incredibly lucrative business model. The Wuhan government recognized this potential, providing NIO with 1.5 billion RMB, further validating the business profitability and strategic importance. Consider the implications. If a single swap station in Denmark can earn €200,000 in pure profit, NIO could theoretically focus solely on building swap stations and engaging in energy trading rather than selling cars. This revelation is staggering and shifts the narrative around NIO's business model. Investors have been valuing NIO based on car sales and future outlooks, but this profitability from swap stations changes the game entirely. Swap stations are not only crucial for car owners, but also for city grids, contributing to grid stabilization and earning significant revenue for NIO. This new information should prompt a reevaluation of NIO valuation by investors. Currently, there are over 300 swap stations in China as part of the China Southern Grid, also engaging in similar profitable activities. The benefits extend beyond just NIO. The swap stations contribute to the stability of the power grid and provide significant earnings. This explains why energy companies in China are keen to invest in building these stations, as they see the potential for high returns. Interestingly, private investors can also build these stations. NIO operates them, but the profits from grid stabilization and other fees go to the station owners. In some Chinese cities, swap stations are entirely self-funded by NIO owners or private entities, further demonstrating the investment attractiveness. The cost to build a swap station ranges from $200,000 to $300,000, meaning investors could recoup their costs within a year, solely from grid stabilization fees in places like Denmark. This is a lucrative investment, with a high return on investment ROI. NIO CFO mentioned in a previous earnings report that they expect capex to be lower in the future due to more partners building swap stations, allowing NIO to benefit from operating them without bearing the initial construction costs. NIO itself continues to build swap stations. At the Beijing Auto Show, Dr. Xin Fei confirmed that NIO will keep expanding its network of self-owned swap stations. This highlights the dual approach of leveraging both partner-built and self-owned stations to maximize profitability and market presence. Moreover, Tesla has acknowledged the importance of energy storage, building a separate factory in Shanghai for Megapack, aimed at grid stabilization. However, NIO swap stations provide an all-in-one solution for both vehicle energy needs and grid stabilization, giving them a strategic edge. Swap stations occupy less space than charging stations and can handle multiple tasks, unlike Tesla's separate infrastructure for charging and energy storage. While electricity fees are lower in China compared to Europe, NIO still earns significant profits from swap stations there. The profitability in Denmark serves as an incentive for NIO to expand its network. More swap stations mean more profit and more convenience for car owners, which can boost car sales, a self-fulfilling prophecy. Some swap stations even incorporate solar panels, contributing small amounts of free electricity that can be sold back to the grid or used for battery swaps. Every bit counts towards profitability. The revelation of €200,000 in annual profit from a single swap station is a shocker for investors and underscores the immense potential of NIO's business model. It's clear that NIO should continue expanding its swap station network to capture more of this lucrative market. Governments are also likely to support this expansion due to the benefits of grid stabilization. NIO's strategic vision for swap stations not only enhances grid stability but also drives significant profits, potentially reshaping the future of the company. The genius behind this vision deserves recognition, as it positions NIO at the forefront of energy innovation and profitability. This is truly a groundbreaking development. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.